Hi,
teens.
teens.
Welcome back. This is Miss Linda.
And Miss Irene.
We're here in our STEM video series, and what are we going to look at today, Miss Irene?
Today we're going to be looking at chemistry and maybe a little bit of engineering and some mathematics.
All right, that sounds great. So what we're going to do today, we're going to make an Icebox strawberry cake.
Sweet!
Sweet! So I've already washed my hands, and I haven't touched anything else. So I'm going to put gloves on because we're doing food service. And so the only thing you need for this activity are strawberries, whipped cream, and graham crackers.
Ooh, they all sound tasty.
All very tasty. You can also use like the cinnamon graham crackers. You don't have to use just the plain ones. It's your choice. So to start it off, you rinse your strawberries and you slice them. Some people have the little strawberry corer or a slicer. We're old-fashioned here, so I cut the center out. And you're just gonna cut it into pieces that you'll use for this.
Be very careful, don't cut yourself.
Don't cut yourself.
Okay, good to go.
Okay, so I've already done that with all of the strawberries there. So we're going to layer.
So we start with whipped cream?
You put a layer of whipped cream in the bottom of the pan.
Ooh, yum, that
You can use the tub type of whipped cream, whatever you want. If you want to make your own whipped cream, go for it. So you put your whipped cream in, then you put a layer of graham crackers in.
It's looking good, looking tasty.
Looking tasty already.
All right. So we've got a layer of whipped cream and a layer of graham crackers. Okay, she's got that put on there. Perfect.
Oh.
And it doesn't really have to be super
Doesn't have
organized.
to be
It's just
super
got to kind of
pretty.
order the pan. And it looks like you're using a 9x11 pan.
This is a tiny pan, yeah. You can do it however you want. You can do little individual ones.
Oh, I think we're out on that one.
We're out on that.
So you're doing a double layer. When do the strawberries come in?
So that's your next layer. So you have to think that there's too much moisture in the strawberries. That's why you want a little bit of whipped cream,
Ah.
so that you don't get too much moisture on your...
And then it won't freeze?
Well, it won't make the graham crackers too soggy. So that's the chemistry part, how everything is going to interact with each other.
Ooh, look what you got there, all cut up. Show me.
So here's our strawberries already nicely
Sliced and
cut
diced.
up.
Perfect.
You
Yummy.
just layer them.
Woohoo! That looks yummy.
Of course, if it was a special occasion and you wanted, you had a fight with mom, you could make a cute little design. You could make a heart. You could do whatever you wanted to do.
All right.
Then you put another layer of graham crackers.
Does it get topped with whipped cream or does it end with the graham crackers?
Nope, whipped cream again.
Ooh, lots of whipped cream.
So the
That's why it
recipe
tastes
for
so good.
this will be contained in the post, and of course you can just simply Google it as well. I did see one for cookies and cream, another variation on this.
You could also do like blueberries if you're not big on strawberries. You could
That's
do blueberries or you could do raspberries,
Any fruit.
all kinds of things. I don't know how oranges would do that. That seems like it might not fit. I think a berry would be best.
Yeah, I don't think so, Irene.
I agree.
Strawberries. So if you want, you can, smooth it a little bit so you don't get all the gaps.
And then how long does it go in the...
So then you'll put it in the refrigerator for a couple hours.
And you put the
And-
strawberries on top?
So you're gonna do this for like 2 or 3 layers. And I can show you this.
So the final one.
The final one, ready to dig in. If you can open the container.
Ooh,
Looks like that.
ooh, that looks yummy.
You could put a little ice cream with it, whatever you choose. You could drizzle some chocolate sauce on it, whatever you like. So enjoy, and we'll see you next time.
Where do you think we could find some more resources, Miss Linda?
So, of course, you can go to our library homepage and check out the downloads and streaming tab. You can go to Hoopla,
We have lots of
Cloud
cookbooks
Library.
and bakery books online as
Yeah.
well as in the library.
Yeah, all kinds of resources available.
All right, everybody, we'll see you soon.
Be safe, be well.